Hey, what's going on? Welcome back. I'm Dave here at Brett's RV and Marine in Missoula, Montana with a quick tour and overview of this brand new Grand Design Reflection 150 series. It is the 295 RL. Let's get started.
On the 295 RL, we have two awnings with the LED light strips. Down below we have our pass-through storage. And to top it off, you have your ground control 3.0 leveling. Now inside we have our dinette with our Thomas Paine theater seating. You got heat and vibration on these. Moving over, we have our couch, folds out into a bed. Next, we have our fireplace, our Roku TV, and our stereo. Have a nice little pantry here. The island here comes with lots of counter space and the fold-out drying seat cover. Moving from the kitchen into our bathroom, we have our shower, down to our porcelain toilet, the bathroom sink, and the mirror vanity. Into the bedroom, we have our fully walk-around bed with our overhead storage and then our USB ports to charge the phones.
Well, that's a quick look and walkthrough of this brand new Grand Design Reflection 150 series. For more information on this unit and others, check out brettsrv.com or click the link below this video. Until next time, I'm Dave. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.